The 2025 Mazda RX-8 marks a bold return of the legendary rotary-powered sports car, blending modern innovation with a nostalgic performance legacy. After years of speculation and concept teasers, Mazda has finally unveiled a vehicle that honors its roots while embracing the future of automotive engineering. The new RX-8 retains its signature design philosophy: lightweight construction, sharp handling, and rotary power, but now with a contemporary twist that aligns with modern expectations of technology, efficiency, and sustainability. At the heart of the 2025 RX-8 is a completely re-engineered rotary engine. Mazda's engineers have taken the iconic Wankel rotary and brought it into the modern era by incorporating hybrid technology. Dubbed the Renesis system, the updated rotary engine is now paired with an electric motor that not only assists in performance but also significantly reduces emissions and fuel consumption. This hybrid setup allows the RX-8 to deliver a combined output of around 300 horsepower, giving it thrilling acceleration and a unique driving feel that few other vehicles in its class can match. The engine placement remains true to the RX-8's heritage, with a front-mid layout that contributes to a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution. This ensures exceptional handling characteristics and responsive steering, making the RX-8 a true driver's car. Whether carving through tight mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the 2025 RX-8 offers an engaging experience that brings a smile to the face of anyone behind the wheel. Mazda has also modernized the chassis and suspension setup, utilizing a revised multi-link rear suspension and a lightweight aluminum-intensive frame. The RX-8 achieves remarkable agility without compromising ride comfort. Adaptive dampers are standard, allowing drivers to switch between comfort and sport modes, adapting the car's behavior to suit different driving environments. The electric power steering has also been fine-tuned to provide feedback that feels natural and precise. The exterior design of the 2025 RX-8 reflects Mazda's latest Kato design language, with flowing lines and a low athletic stance. The signature freestyle rear-hinged half doors have returned, providing a unique touch and improved access to the rear seats. Slim LED headlights, an aggressive front fascia, and bold fender flares give the car a muscular and futuristic appearance, while aerodynamic sculpting ensures both visual drama and high-speed stability inside the cabin. The RX-8 has been completely transformed. High-quality materials like Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch plastics elevate the interior's feel. A digital instrument cluster, a large central infotainment display with Mazda's latest user interface, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity are all included. The front seats are heavily bolstered and built for spirited driving, while the rear seats are more usable than most coupes in this segment. Staying true to the RX-8's 2-2 layout heritage, safety and driver assistance technologies have not been overlooked. The RX-8 comes equipped with a full suite of features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features enhance everyday usability without detracting from the car's sporty essence. Mazda has also hinted at offering various trims and performance packages for enthusiasts, including a track-focused version with upgraded brakes, a stiffer suspension setup, and performance tires. Customization options will be plentiful, allowing buyers to tailor their RX-8 to their tastes, whether they prioritize style, comfort, or outright performance. In a world increasingly dominated by electric vehicles and SUVs, the 2025 Mazda RX-8 stands out as a passionate tribute to driving enjoyment. With its hybrid rotary engine, stunning design, and dynamic handling, it proves that sports cars still have a vital place on the road. The RX-8 isn't just a comeback, it's a statement.